Hi, today we're going to tie one of these, which I use for like zipper ties, zipper pulls, or little very miniature key fobs. This one's in quite thick cord. It's about 4mm, I guess. Halve it. Put it around your two middle fingers. Now the top one you just lay flat. This one you make a loop and put it across. So the tail comes out underneath the base of that loop. Okay. Now this one we go under there, over there, under there, over there. And we come up with the carrot bend, or I think it's sometimes called the Josephine knot too. You can go around the back of that, the base to that loop, and go straight back up there, and the same with this one. And if you pull that tight and fair it up, then you've got a single version of the knot. But this one, as you can see, is two lays, so it's been doubled. So to double it, instead of going around the back, you just follow. So that's your lead on this one. See how there's a natural curve? You just follow that curve around. So that one goes that way, this one goes that way. So follow it around, and basically this is your lead. So follow the lead. Still following this lead. And don't cross over the lead either. Stay on the same, so it stays parallel. Comes out the same place as this one. And this one we follow around, and that's the lead for this one. So we go up there and follow the lead, follow it on the inside. So keep following. Goes around, follow it around there. Keeps following through there. Getting a bit short on our cord. This is a leftover bit of cord, I didn't want to waste it. Okay, so now we have to go back around and then back up there, so we don't have enough cord, so I'm going to fair it up a bit first and then we'll do that. Giving myself a bit more cord, so we follow the round. Actually, I'll pull this one through to give my other length a bit more as well. So keep following this around, and if we were to keep following it, we'd triple it. So instead of, we just follow it around there and then up through the middle. Now it looks like we've come out too short, so they don't match, but once you pull it all up, they're fine. And this one goes around here, and you don't want to triple it, so you don't come out there. You go up through there. Okay, so that's the knot tied. You can't really pull it tight, I'm just pulling a bit there so we don't lose it, because it's doubled. So we have to fair it. So just grab any loose bit and start pulling through. Okay, that should do it. Now, if this is actually a sailor's knife lanyard, this would be long, and you'd put your knife off the end here, or the other way, make this a long loop and have that around your neck, and tie your knife off on the end. But I just use these as toggles. So what I do, you can either trim them here and let those ends fray, in which case you end up with a tassel, or what I like to do is just trim them off flush, and then just use PVA wood glue and push those tails back in with a bit of glue on them. Glue just stops them moving around in there once it sets, and you can just push those closed. You end up with a little toggle. That loop is quite short, so you wouldn't be able to cow hitch it through a zipper, because there wouldn't be enough room to get around your globe here. So you can, before you trim your tails, you can make that longer by feeding it back, and then cow hitch it, and then pull the slack out and make it shorter again if you want, or you can just start with it on the belt, like when you do your loop around your fingers, have it already running through that. Okay, they're quite simple to tie and extremely effective. They look great. Thank you.